Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do some unboxing of Samyang AF 85mm f1.4. It's a lens designed for Sony E mount, as you will see. And at the beginning we've got everything in a nice looking cardboard, and inside we've got a soft foam to protect your lens while transporting it. So that's it for this lens. You also have here in Poland, where I'm making this video, a 5 years warranty. Inside the cardboard you've got included a very nice looking black cover for your lens. So now it's on the left side, this is it, and it's very good because when you are going to transport your lens in any bag or pockets, I don't know, I think that it's going to help to protect your lens from getting some little scratches. So it's very nice. Here we've got some papers, so nothing special, just something that you've got in every pocket. So and let's go further. As you can see, we've got a front element lens cap to protect this huge element glass in the front of your lens. As you can see, this front element in the front of the Samyang 85 is looking amazing. So it's very nice to have it. It's looking great. This lens is 85mm. When you are using it on an APS-C, it gives you an equivalent on 127mm. It's 1.4 or f22 if you want. This lens also doesn't have image stabilization in it, so you have to keep in mind that when you are going to make some videos or you need to slow down your shutter speed, it may be a problem to take a very good looking shot. Personally, I very like the design of this lens. It's very minimalistic. It's whole black with a little red strip in the center. The manual focus ring is also very nice when you are switching it, but it's not so sensitive as I would like. So sometimes you can get some little problems to be very precise on manual focusing, so you have to consider it. It's made of metal and glass. On a lens mount you are also having a rubber band, so it's moisture and dust resist, so it's also helping you to get your sensor and your images cleaner. In the front of the lens you've got 77mm filter thread. Generally I love this Samyang 85 design. It's looking very nice, it's looking premium, and the very important thing is that it's not cost you a lot of money, because it's the cheapest 85 for full frame in a Sony system, and it's also 1.5, so it's a very strong competitor in that field. In next videos I'm going to compare this lens to another 85 from Sony E mount. I'm also going to consider it with Tamron 70-180. I'm going to compare with Sony E 50mm 1.8 OSS for APS-C. So if you are interested in it, please consider subscribing, liking and comment below, and see ya guys. Thank you for watching.